Top 10 Most Beautiful Countries. The following countries frequently appear at the top of travel lists and surveys. 1. New Zealand, renowned for its unparalleled diversity of natural wonders packed into a relatively small area, including majestic fjords, like Milford Sound, geothermal areas, pristine beaches, and the dramatic Southern Alps. 2. Italy, a blend of spectacular natural scenery from the rolling hills of Tuscany and the dramatic Amalfi Coast to the Dolomites and the Italian lakes combined with world-class art, history, and charming cities like Venice and Rome. 3. Canada, famous for its vast, wild landscapes, particularly the iconic Rocky Mountains in Banff and Jasper national parks, countless sparkling lakes, and rugged coastlines. 4. Switzerland, the quintessential Alpine paradise, known for its snow-capped peaks, turquoise lakes, charming mountain villages, and incredible scenic train journeys. 5. Norway, home to the awe-inspiring, deep blue fjords, towering cliffs, the northern lights, and a ruggedly beautiful Arctic landscape. 6. Greece, celebrated for its stunning Mediterranean coast, iconic whitewashed villages and blue-domed churches on islands like Santorini, and a wealth of ancient historical sites. 7. France, offers incredible variety, from the lavender fields of Provence and the chateaux of the Loire Valley to the rocky coast of Brittany and the glamour of the French Riviera. 8. Spain, features diverse geography, including the rugged peaks of the Pyrenees, the volcanic landscapes of the Canary Islands, and the sun-drenched beaches of the Mediterranean. 9. Australia, its beauty spans the Great Barrier Reef, the vast and ancient outback, unique wildlife, and stunning coastal scenery. 10. Iceland, often called the land of fire and ice, its unique appeal comes from its dramatic volcanic terrains, geysers, glaciers, waterfalls, and the chance to see the aurora borealis.